Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to log into Paycom employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with and on the search URL, type in www.paycom.com. Then press enter. You will land on this page. Now, in order to log into your account, hover your mouse over login button that you will get to see at the upper right corner of your screen. A dialog box will pop up. From there, select employee. Then from this page, you have to enter your user number associated with the Paycom account. And under that, type in your correct password. And once you have entered your correct login credentials, you can simply click on login and then you will be logged into your account. Or in case you forgot your username or password, you can click on this link provided here that will help you out to recover your password or username. And that's how you log into your Paycom employee account. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.